This school was not started just like that. Many of us sat and we thought about what changes we could make in the life of children in terms of learning. Every single child, as I believe, is created by God. Every single child has her own purpose in life. That has to be understood, first of all, by the parents, and secondly, by the teachers, and thirdly, by the community. Before starting the institution, we have already decided the vision, the mission, the core values for the institution. What we follow is mandated by government, which we call it curriculum. But how we do it at MMS is our uniqueness, for which our teachers do so much. In any institution, there are major two important aspects that the management should look at. One is the facility provided to every single child according to his or her own learning style and levels of learning and multiple intelligences. The second one is empowered teachers. Empowered teachers will give you inspired students. At this juncture, I must appreciate and thank all the teachers who are in this long journey of MMS.
It is a day of new beginning, fresh opportunities, and a big dream.
Actually, the STEAM Lab inauguration is a dream come true. Not just mine, not just sirs. It's a dream come true of every one of you. So this is to make your dreams to come true. Yeah, you have a lot of things, like once you enter into the labs, your brain will tell you want to design this, you want to design that. So in that case, you're free to design things and bring out a lot of innovations. So that's the way it's actually starting with.
You have a beautiful campus, most enviable campus. Anybody who comes in to the campus looks around, wow, it creates a wow feeling. So you're all blessed, fortunate, lucky to be studying in this institution which has a great vision. It's a great blessing to be studying an institution which cares for you, which has a vision for you, and has created a safe and conducive environment. So you got all the conditions: safe environment, beautiful classrooms, well designed, and curriculum, and trained, qualified teachers, and a vision, and parental support, safe transport. You got all these things. Do you recognize the presence of these many gifts in your life? There's a beautiful heart here, there's a great head, and the hand, legs, the rest of the organs. Let's use all these faculties gifted to us by Mother Nature. And also use the classrooms, use the lessons, make use of the technology, the laboratories which are going to be made available to you by the institution, and see how you can explore life beyond the textbooks. That's part of the vision of MMS, learning beyond the textbooks, learning beyond the classrooms, and learning beyond the boundaries, learning through technology, tech-enabled.